Hey everyone, welcome back to Ria's Art Moment. Today I want to share something different with you. It's not perfect, it's not special, just an experiment. But it's something new I tried, and I'm excited to talk about it with you. So, I decided to draw a self portrait. Now, I have never really drawn a face before, like not a full one. This time, I only drew my eyes. I'm wearing a niqab in the drawing, so only my eyes are visible. It's the first time I have tried to do something like this, and I used a 300 GSM sheet instead of a canvas. As you can see, I focused on just my eyes, the part that is visible when wearing a niqab. I think the eyes can say a lot without words. They can show how we feel, what we are thinking, and even tell a bit of our story. When I was working on this, I was not really thinking about making it perfect. I don't know a lot about techniques or color combinations yet, but I wanted to give it a try. I used a skin tone for the area around the eyes and I just did my best. The process was really calming for me, like a form of therapy. My mind was only focused on the drawing, and it helped me forget about everything else for a while. Art for me doesn't have to be perfect. It's about expressing myself and enjoying the process. This drawing is simple and not perfect, but it's mine. And that makes me happy. I think it's important to try new things even if you don't know how they will turn out. You might make mistakes, but that's okay. You learn and grow from them. So if you're thinking of trying something new, whether it's art or anything else, just go for it. Don't worry too much about getting it right. Just start and see where it takes you. Thanks for watching and thanks for being a part of this journey with me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.